Root beer float pie recipe. Ingredients: 1 pre-made graham cracker crust, 1/2 cup root beer, 1/4 cup milk, 3.4 ounces package instant vanilla pudding mix, 8 ounces tub frozen whipped topping, thawed, 1 cup root beer flavored ice cream, softened, maraschino cherries, optional, whipped cream, optional. Directions: in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the root beer, milk, and instant pudding mix for 2 minutes until thickened. Fold in the softened root beer flavored ice cream until well combined. Gently fold in the whipped topping until the mixture is smooth and well blended. Pour the filling into the graham cracker crust and spread evenly. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until set. Before serving, garnish with whipped cream and maraschino cherries if desired. Prep time: 15 minutes. Chill time: 4 hours. Total time: 4 hours 15 minutes. Kcal: 320 kilocalories. Servings: 8 servings.